You about to make something to eat?
Yeah, trying to get something straight here.
I'm about to wash my hands. Okay.
On me, goddammit! Son of a bitch! You done spit on me! Motherfucker!
I'm sorry.
The fuck?
Okay. It was an accident.
The fuck? Get your fucking ass out of here, motherfucker! You can't do no fucking better than that!
It was an